If you want a free certificate after completing this robotics series, make sure that you watch the video till the very end. If you remember, we have 50 days of robotics series on this particular channel, and now that is available in the form of a course. Okay, means you can just go on the website, register for it, and just complete the 5.5 hour course and get the certificate. So let me show you how it goes. In the description you will get the Robotics website link. You just have to go to the website. After going to the website, you will get the courses section. Okay, of course you can just try to go through the website, but yeah, anyways you have to go to the courses section. For the people who don't know about Robotics, it is my company. Then you will get this 50 days of robotics course. Okay, you might directly get this particular section. Already 585 people, and the count is increasing, have participated here. Just click on buy now. You just have to type your email ID and then your respective password in order to create the account, and then you can access the course. That's really great. And the total duration, if you just check it again, the total duration is 5.5 hours. Okay, it is very less. It will give you better exposure. Even if you can just check the overview and also the curriculum, you will get to know about it. Total 5 sections, including the ROS 2 part as well. So you can just go through these sections once you enroll for the course. That is the thing. Even I can show you the 50 days of robotics series GitHub. Okay, taking a pause in between, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, because this is not only about robotics, it is about complete development. Okay, in terms of skill, in terms of personality, in terms of your career, and we also go for the robotics things, but that's very important. So this particular course is not a specific course. It is a 50 days of robotics series which we have made in the form of a course, so that it is easily accessible, and even someone who completes these 50 days series, that person should get a certificate, right? So for that particular reason, I have just made it in the form of a course. That is the only reason. So let me get you to the GitHub part as well. If I just search for 50 days of robotics, you will get the information about it. It is created by me, but yeah, here we go for the GitHub. I think it's very popular. Okay, you can star. Okay, just make sure that you star it and also fork it, so you are not missing anything. You can access anytime. Then you can access this day wise. Okay, so each day has certain things. If I click on day 19 with the code files, okay, with the code files everything is present. Day 19 has its readme file, and also the package is available. So this is the readme file. You can go through the readme file, understand the concepts, even video. Okay, I will also prefer that you watch the video on YouTube, complete that series. Once you have completed, you will get all the code on GitHub. Already all the things are there. Then you will get the certificate as well, and make sure that you are sharing that certificate on LinkedIn. Okay, so that you also get certain visibility. You can also post on LinkedIn that I have started 50 days of robotics series, and this is how I will go for the rest of the 50 days, and be consistent with it, and it will definitely help you to learn the basics and build a fundamental kind of stuff which will be very helpful later on. Okay, so that's how it goes. If you have anything, any questions, you can mention in the comments, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.